Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tesla is a company which has had a lot of really interesting updates over the past couple of weeks and months. We have seen an absolute roller coaster with Tesla, from boycotts of the brand to Elon Musk joining the federal government. We are now seeing a situation where there is a lot of news coming out. One of the biggest things that we've heard over the past couple of weeks is that Elon Musk is apparently coming back to putting his focus mainly on Tesla. We have seen obviously Elon Musk have his role in the government in Doge, and now it looks like it's time for him to refocus his efforts, as Tesla has now seen a massive sales decrease, it's seen a massive income decrease, and it's one of these situations where the people who would traditionally buy Tesla now feel kind of alienated from the brand. They don't like Elon Musk's politics, and of course that is going to influence their purchasing decisions, and now we're seeing this have an impact on Tesla's income and profit. If you have a look to the figures that we saw over the past couple of months in Tesla's recent earnings, you're going to be seeing a 71% plunge in net income, and this mainly comes to what is being seen as massive sales decreases all across the world. Now bear in mind, even the Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives, who's a long-time Tesla bull, is saying that Tesla's demand could be down 10% permanently due to Elon Musk's political profile. The brand damage caused by Musk in the White House and Doge over the past couple of months will not go away just by this move, and some of the brand damage will be stained forever in the US and Europe as well. And I think this is true. Unfortunately, I think this is true. We have this idea that consumers are quick to forget. Not really. Not in all instances anyway. And there are going to be some people who see this as a permanent stain on the brand of Tesla. And the unfortunate thing is, 5-10 years ago, it might have been a bit easier to recover from this. Now, we're in a market where basically every manufacturer has got an electric car out. If you want to get something cheaper than Tesla, you can. If you want to get something larger, something more luxurious, there are so many options. People don't have to choose for Tesla anymore if they don't want to, and if they want to get a different electric car. Anyway, this is important for considering where the brand is. More evidence came through on Thursday. Tesla sales in the European Union plunged 36% last month compared to a year ago, and overall sales of electric battery vehicles have actually increased by more than 17%. That indicates that Tesla is in decline in the EU, as we are seeing massive decreases in sales. Now the big thing is, what is the future going to look like? And we're seeing some interesting reports over the past couple of days. Now we're seeing Tesla denying the search for the Musk replacement amid reports of a CEO succession plan. Now, it's important to say that Tesla has denied reports that it has contacted headhunters to search for a replacement for Elon Musk, and they have claimed that this is absolutely false or fake. So, this is quite important. If you have a look across the internet, you're going to be seeing a number of different claims, right? Some people saying that Tesla's denying it, some people saying that Tesla board members are looking for it. Obviously, it's going to be something in speculation, but the latest that we have, reports coming out fairly recently, is that they are not doing this right now, is apparently false, and Tesla's board apparently has not started looking for a new CEO due to frustration with Musk, right? So this is what's been reported over the past couple of days, let's say. Apparently the Tesla board has been frustrated. They want to replace Musk because of his government duties. They think that him being associated with the brand is just going to be permanent trouble. However, now we're seeing updates suggesting that this is not the case. I think this is going to be one of those stories that I'm going to keep you guys updated on. It's going to be interesting to see how this one plays out. Again, is it likely that Tesla's going to get rid of Elon Musk? Is it even possible? Is it even going to work? Is it going to create more brand damage? And is Tesla in a position right now where it's going to be difficult to recover? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. I'd like to hear what you have to say. Thank you. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.